Hi guys, I'm so excited. I'm here in Israel near the Cinematheque in Tel Aviv. There is a spiritual festival, and there is one film that I helped to edit. It's called The One Field. It's my sister. She created it. And anyway, I wanted to tell you more about painting as a healing. How can we do it? This method I developed is to really try to get all the pain out of my energy center, and I do it by breathing into this place, into the one of the center that I have pain there, or any block, and I breathe and just take it out like I want to vomit it, and in that the same time I make a picture. I have this example in my page. You can see it and learn from it. Anyway, I start to teach about it, and I'm really happy if I will have somebody who wants to really practice it. For so many people that I teach them, they really felt good. In fact, yesterday I had a woman. She enjoyed it so much. Her husband told me she came home. She was really very, very happy after that, and it makes me feel so great to help people to feel great about themselves, to feel the heal things they don't. If they feel something in their body, she felt very heavy in her chest, and she had a remission in the painting. And this is the actual things, but you really need to trust to exercise it if you want to know how it is. So bye for now, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.